What's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video. Just like you read in the title, Google TV Streamer 4K is 50% off, but it comes with a catch. All right, let's get into the article as you see on the screen, and I will leave all the links in the description of this video. It says YouTube TV is offering members at 50% discount on the Google TV Streamer via a Google Store promo code. The cord cutting service today sent out a don't miss the NBA final tip-off tomorrow email. At the very bottom of the message, you'll find the offer YouTube TV members get 50% off on the Google TV Streamer 4K. It's a rather subtle promotion, and it tells you this. This is what it says. Upgrade your living room setup to 4K. Google TV Streamer seamlessly unites your apps, making it effortless to browse favorite shows and watch live TV on YouTube TV. And with Gemini, chat naturally to find shows, get answers, and simplify your day. Continuing with the article on 9 to 5 Google, it said pitch as a way to upgrade your living room setup. This brings the $99.99, basically $100 device, to $50. Be sure to enter the promo code at the bottom of the checkout page. And you can only get the white one, guys. That's just what it is. You can only get the white one. The hazel one is not a part of the deal. Here it is, Google TV Streamer promotional code offer expires 12/31/2026 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So that's like 2:59 Eastern Standard Time while supplies last. Now, this is kind of crazy here because I wonder how many white versions they got. Are they trying to get rid of them because they know they're coming out with another model? Because on, the Walmart brand kind of took their model and ran with it. So I'm wondering if they're just trying to get rid of it and say, hey, YouTube, promote this, we'll give you a little cut, but we need to get all of these out of there because they said while supplies last. But here's the thing, limit one per customer per eligible device. This offer is only available to current active YouTube TV main plan subscribers. That's crazy. It seemed like they would have gave you a little bit more. Maybe you can get 2 or 3 or even 4. They trying to get rid of them. But it said over the years, YouTube has offered free hardware to subscribers, including Cast and Google TV-based Chromecast. And that's just what it is right here. So again, I will leave this link here. And so if you're a YouTube TV subscriber, you can definitely use the code and go on there and get you a good. Hey man, let me turn this off. Ain't nobody even talking to you, but you can actually get the device for $50, which is not bad. I'm not going to even lie to you. It's not bad. All right, let's go on to the next one because we got some more news, and it's not the greatest news. All right, let's go on to this one right here. For my Canadian family, say Walmart increases on streaming devices prices in Canada. Okay, and it says right here in this short article, it has only been a few days since the latest on streaming device models, the on 4K stick and the second gen on 4K Pro began appearing in the Canadian Walmart stores and on walmart.ca. CA stand for Canada, okay? In that time, Walmart has significantly increased the price of each device. The on 4K stick has nearly doubled in the price from $50 to $95. I'm just rounding everything up. And the new on 4K Pro increased from $75 to $120 when converted. The original prices were less expensive than their U.S. equivalents, and now we know why. Those were likely placeholder prices before Walmart set its actual Canadian prices. Some Canadian Walmart locations haven't updated their shelf price yet, so you may still be able to snag the old price locally if you're lucky. So again, for my Canadian family, this is a bummer, but if you're familiar with the United States and Canada has always been higher than the United States. I mean, that's just what it is. What we get here may be way cheaper than what they pay. And so I can't remember, because it's been so long, what the dollar is equivalent to over in Canada. And for y'all, I'm from Detroit. I'm still in Metro Detroit right now. I'm literally from that bridge, probably about a good, I'm going to just say 10 minutes away to cross that bridge over the Detroit River to go into Windsor, Ontario, which is Canada. And so, again, it's a bummer that this is going on, but I don't know why they went up so high. I don't know. That's something you would probably have to ask one of the Canadian residents over there why they are so much expensive than the United States. It's always been like that since I was a kid. So that is crazy. And last but not least, guys, let's get into it on 9 to 5. And again, salute to AFTV News for that. Walmart now sells Google TV sets starting at $250, including the Fresco Art TV. Now, for some of y'all who are not aware, Walmart bought out Vizio. Y'all know Vizio was very good back in the day, but they bought them out to take that operating system that they had on their television, because it was a nice operating system. But as you know, Walmart always changes. They bought the company that produced these televisions, and it was only a matter of time before they actually switched everything over to Google TV, because their streaming devices are running what? Google TV, and they probably paid a healthy price to run the license of Google TV on their streaming devices. So again, it's just something that they're doing, and going from there. And they're going to be running Google TV. So they just needed a company where they can produce the televisions to put the operating system on here. But we can get into the article. As rumored, Walmart has quietly debuted a collection of on-branded TV sets that are all powered by Google TV, with prices starting as low as $248. Walmart, the company that bought Vizio not all that long ago, maybe a couple years ago, I'm going to say about 2 to 3 years ago, is no stranger to sell self-branded televisions. There's been a string of TVs from the ON brand, including several running the Cast OS from Vizio. But some listings earlier this year suggested that the new batch will run Google TV, and sure enough, they arrived. It says this starts with two fairly simple 4K UHD QLED sets that are pretty incredible deals. There's a 55-inch model for $250 and a 65-inch size for basically $360. Both pack 60 hertz panels, Dolby Vision, and a modified version of the same remote used on Walmart Google TV streaming dongles. Both models offer 3 HDMI ports. Details on demi zones and such are not provided, but they look at least halfway decent for the price tag. And what they're talking about, listen, for a TV of this price, and the bigger size, you're not going to get the premium colors or anything like that. It's probably for someone who love movies and TV shows, and they love the colors and the vivid viewing whatever they're watching. This television is not for you. But if you someone who don't care, you can get away with this. Honestly, you can get away with it. I did it for years until I got that Hisense U8K, and now it's hard for me to go and watch my LG in my bedroom, because it's not the same picture. It is not the same picture. I think I got that 70-inch LG for like $500, and the U8K was like $1,700. I can't even remember. But there's a difference in picture. So you might got the size, but the picture is not going to be all that awesome. It'll show clarity, but the colors is not going to be beautiful. All right, let's read on. Walmart on smart TV with Google, as you see. So this is basically the 55-inch and the 65-inch. They give you the same remote. as, the streaming devices. So it's crazy. All right. It's crazy. Here go the 65-inch one right here. But then they say far more interesting here is that Walmart On is now the latest brand, following others such as TCL and Hisense using Google TV to build a competitor to Samsung, the Frame series. The Fresco is Walmart's attempt with 55-inch and 65-inch sizes with the included anti-glare matte finish to display and a false wood frame in either walnut or golden brown. And here you see it right here. And again, I'm going to leave this link so y'all can go and read it for yourself and check it out and then go from there. Compared to the sets above, these sets look much thinner and more modern. And there's a unique remote. The frame can be removed and is held together by magnets. And there's a telescopic scope hanger wall mount that appears to be included. Gallery mode can cycle through artwork or your own personal pictures. Like the cheaper sets, Dolby Vision and 4K UHD is on display with this QLED panel. And the Walmart calls out Apple AirPlay support on the Fresco, something not mentioned on the lower end units. These also have 3 HDMI ports. And so here it is. Here are the prices for the Frescos. And as you see right here, this is how they'll look. But if you get this a 55-inch, it is $550. If you get the 65, this is the Fresco Smart, again, $550. But if you get the Walmart On, it is $698. Basically, these are saying the same thing. All right. But again, it's hard to take issue with that price tag, assuming the quality is actually decent in person. Walmart early review program was active on the Fresco to a wildly positive response. Take that with a grain of salt, of course, given these aren't actual buyers. And so again, you got it where you can sit back and view and check it out yourself. It's probably good. You probably go up in a store to actually view these. So again, we had 3 articles from YouTube TV where you can go up in here. If you're a YouTube TV subscriber, you can get the Google TV Streamer 4K for $50. And then we got our Canadian family that's getting this big old price hike in their Walmart stores, which is crazy. And then last but not least, you see Walmart now sells Google TVs. I think they're going to move past the CAS operating system and run Google TV because they're paying that license fee, and there ain't no need to keep up with 2 different operating systems on the television. Okay, what are your thoughts, guys? Is this something that you agree with? Would you pay $50 just to get one, even if you're a YouTube TV subscriber? Would you get this? Secondly, also, to my Canadian family, are you going to get these? Or are you going to find alternatives? What are you going to do to my people over in Canada? And last but not least, would you get these televisions? Okay, but I'm going to give you a caveat. Maybe you got a nice TV, or maybe you got a decent budget television. Would you go out there and spend $250 when you can go over and get you a streaming device that will turn your TV into Google TV? All right, hint, let me know what you're going to do. This is Superdell. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Also share this video because this can help many people. And last but not least, click that bell icon. And when you click that bell icon, select allow. That way you get all content that I release on YouTube. Again, I will leave all 3 links in the description. I would love to hear from you. And so, again, this is crazy. A lot of streaming news come out today, and I would love to hear from you. Let's get the conversation going in the comment area, guys. Y'all be safe out there, Superdell, and I am out. Peace.